We are honored to accompany our Palestinian friend Abedulrahman Abu Dahesh, who is a neuroscientist and founder of Neurocam Lab. It is requested to all the people here, please rise in the honor of Abedulrahman Dahesh. Please rise.
Wow, thank you. Shukriya, shukriya everyone. Thank you so much for just being who you are. I really appreciate everyone here, and it's an honor for me to have shared this Mela with you and have met you all. And if I haven't met you, please come after me and let me meet you, because everyone here is special and everyone here is amazing, and it's been really incredible to share the booth and to meet all these amazing inventors that are also showcasing a lot of great ideas in this festival. And I really want to thank you for all the professors and all the planners for making my trip here possible and for inviting me here. It's a really special experience. Yeah. I am really grateful for the love that the Pakistani people have for the people of Palestine, and I really feel at home here. And thank you everyone, and I hope you all had a great time, because I did. Free, free Palestine, free, free Palestine, free, free Palestine, free, free Palestine. Woo!